You are leaving pounds of massive, crunchy cucumbers on the table if you are still letting your plants sprawl across the dirt. Growing your own organic cucumbers is actually ridiculously easy. But there is a specific way to do it right from seed to harvest, so you get those perfect, crisp bites instead of yellow, mushy duds. First things first, you have to pick the right vibe for your garden. If you want fresh salads, grab a slicing variety. If you are trying to make homemade pickles, get a pickling type. Pay attention to whether they are bush or vining types, because that changes everything about how you plant them. Before you even think about putting a seed in the ground, fix your dirt. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. They want rich, well-draining soil. Mix in a bunch of compost or well-rotted manure to give them a solid foundation. Wait until the soil is actually warm, like around 70 degrees, well after the last frost. Dig a hole about 1 inch deep, drop your seeds in, and space them out. Give vining types about 12 inches and bush types up to 2 feet so they have room to breathe. Now back to that sprawling issue. You need to grow them vertically. Set up a trellis or a cage right when you plant. Making them climb saves a ton of space, keeps the fruit off the wet ground, and gives the leaves way better air circulation. This is the ultimate cheat code to prevent nasty fungal diseases and make harvesting a breeze. When it comes to watering, consistency is your best friend. These plants are mostly water, so give them a deep soak once or twice a week, preferably in the morning. Throw down some organic mulch around the base to lock in that moisture and keep the roots cool. Mulch also stops weeds from stealing all the nutrients. If you see pests, do not panic and grab harsh chemicals. Plant some garlic or marigolds nearby to naturally scare them off, or use a little neem oil.
To keep them pumping out fruit, feed them organic fertilizer every month or so.
They need nitrogen for the leaves early on, then phosphorus and potassium to actually make the cucumbers. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long to pick them. Do not let them turn dull or yellow. Grab slicing cucumbers when they are 6 to 8 inches long, firm and bright green. For pickling, grab them under 5 inches. Just snip them off the vine so you do not rip the plant. The more you pick, the more the plant produces. Keep them in the crisper drawer in a breathable bag, and you will be eating fresh, crunchy cucumbers all summer long. Once you taste a cucumber you grew yourself, you will never go back to the watery grocery store ones again.